everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the Fortune Cookie Soap unboxing. I get the monthly Fortune Cookie Soap program, which is $28 a month, or you can also get the quarterly box, which is $19.99 per quarter. There's 4 that they'll do. This quarter's theme is really cute. It's inspired by Toy Story. I even thought of purchasing it myself on top of the monthly one that I get. Definitely check it out. I will leave a link in the description box to subscribe to Fortune Cookie Soap. But before we jump into today's video, you know the drill. If you're new here, hi, I'm Never Shout Amanda, or NVR Shout Amanda. Please subscribe to my channel below and ring the notification bell to be notified for all future videos. Thank you in advance for watching this video. It means a lot to me and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I love Fortune Cookie Soap. Woo! Alright, oh, this month's theme is Unicornia. It is inspired by unicorns, Pegasus, Twilight Sparkles on the cover. Just kidding. Alright. Well, Twilight Sparkle inspired tissue paper. Ooh, lots of goodies. Oh my gosh. This is what the inside looks like. Lots of exciting stuff. Where do I even begin? Alright, this one. You Had Me At Holo scoopable wax. This is what it looks like. It's really interesting. I don't even know. It looks like shavings. But, oh, it's Western colors. Yes. Purple and gold. WCU, man. You Had Me At Holo. Hello.
I'm Sigourney Weaver.
I was wondering if at all these years you'd like me to go over your love for all things Holo. To bubbly notes of sweet pineapple, white grapes, pure sugar cane, and smooth sandalwood. To use, simply take a scoop of this gorgeous wax and place into a wax burner. Never leave wax burners unattended and never add water. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited to put this in a wax burner right now just to see how it smells. Let's sniff. Oh yeah. It smells magical. Is that cliche? I can definitely smell the pineapple and the sandalwood. Really excited. That's why I love Fortune Cookie Soap. You're going to get awesome products. I've gotten candles before, now I got some wax smell. I am really excited. This stuff smells great and it's pretty and yeah. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, look at the unicorn bath bomb. It's almost too cute to use. This little graphic has been going around. I've seen it in my Cricut group a lot that people are making shirts, decals, the whole 9 yards. It's really cute. I really love Fortune Cookie Soap's bath bombs. I really like the color that the bath bombs produce. I used the Under the Sea one that I got in my last month's box and it turned my tub black. It was so cool, but then I was reading Women in Cabin 10 and I'm just kind of like, little horror film, but really good. And it leaves you nice and silky smooth. Treat yourself. Do a bath at least like once a week just to detox, get the gunk out, rejuvenate for the next week. That's what I do. That's how I get through Mondays. Moving on to the next product. Some of these products are really new for me. Okay, so the first product I pulled out was a highlighting kit. Looks very similar to the Naked Cosmetics one I just received in my BoxyCharm. I didn't even know that they made makeup. But let's go on ahead and do swatches of them. And these are the swatches. These are really pretty shades. They are a little chalky, but I really liked how the darker shades, the green and the blue, showed up. They are very similar to the ones in my BoxyCharm. I'll link that in the description below just to give you a comparison. But I'm really excited to see this in this box because like I said, I did not know that they made makeup. So giving this a shot is really exciting. And it's rainbow shades, duh, because unicorn theme. And then this product is the Magical Tears Plantfusion oil, and it says this plant-powered modern aromatherapy oil works best on pulse points. Micro batch perfume oil is a crystal-infused oil. Crystal beasts. It reacts with your own body's chemistry so that each scent smells unique to each other. Ooh, let's try this. Rollerball application. I think this is a pulse point. Oh, it smells like lavender vanilla. You want to try it on yours? See what yours smells like? Griffin has no sense of smell.
Mine smells like death. No, it smells like vanilla lavender.
Okay, so I guess our body chemistry is similar.
Damn right.
Can you smell it? Does it smell like lavender vanilla?
It sure does.
Let me smell yours. Okay, so I guess your pulse points all smell the same, but I thought it said it reacts with your body's chemistry. Okay, well I guess Griffin and I are on the same body chemistry. Alright, the next product is the In Your Glitter Dreams Body Scrub. I got a scrub in my last Fortune Cookie soap and I absolutely love it. Obviously, it's used to exfoliate. Ooh, it's whipped. Whip it real good. Oh, it smells very... not as sweet as I thought it would. When I opened it, I was like, okay, cotton candy or sweet pea-ish smell. It doesn't really have much of a scent. Maybe I need to like cleanse my nose because I think I might still be smelling the lavender vanilla, but it's really sweet. Well, I would imagine it smelled sweet, but I love Fortune Cookie Soap's exfoliators. I just love exfoliating in general. I don't care if it's hot, if it's cold, just get the dead cells off to rejuvenate your skin. Hydration is important. Hydration, hydration. Let's talk about hydration, but they talk about migration.
And we'll stop right there.
Awesome product. It's a little formulated differently from the other scrub that I got in my last box. Still really pumped because I love exfoliators. I go through them really fast. I'm already halfway through the one from last month, so this one is next on deck. And then the last product, oh god. Oh god, it's like a jelly. Let me see you wobble. Okay. What is this? Cosmetic Unicorn Jelly Soap. Okay, so it looks very similar to the Lush one. I never really used the Lush one. I have one in my shower right now. I don't know how to use it. It sounds really bad. And this says simply pinch off a bit of your shower jelly and use as you would soap or crush them into a loofah or an exfoliating soap saver to create a rich lather. For a cool summer treat, pop it in the fridge first. For a cool summer... Are you advising to eat this? I hope not. Oh, wait, for someone to cool it off a little bit. Well, it wobbles. Maybe it smells good. Okay, it has a really pretty color to it. It smells really nice. It smells a little masculine-y. I definitely will give it a shot, and then I'll do it in a video that I want to do, like products I tested out. Did it work? Did it not work? What were my thoughts? I'll probably test it out next month for a March impressions video, so really excited. And that concludes this month's box. Overall, you know, I got some interesting products. These two are the ones I'm kind of like, I don't know how I feel yet about them, just because I got a similar one, and then jelly soap, which is very interesting, but definitely really excited for the bath bomb, of course, and the scrub. Definitely want to keep using this oil. I really like the smell of lavender, so I might keep it at my desk just to kind of put it on my pulse points, just to give a nice little aromatherapy. And then definitely interested in putting this in the wax melter just to see how it smells and to use it a little bit at nighttime when I'm reading. So, alright, this concludes today's video. Really fun product. I can't wait to test them out as usual. Let me know if you got the Fortune Cookie soap box as well. Let me know what products were your favorite. If you know how to use this, let me know some good tips. Same with the highlighter. I kind of went crazy with the highlighter, and if you know any tips of not making it as chalky, maybe, you know, using an inner corner or your eyelids. It's always fun to play with new makeup. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts were, what products you're most excited for, which ones you're not as excited for in the comments below. Thank you again for watching this video. I do appreciate your love and support, and stay tuned for the next video.